What's going on, Life at the Mountain family? Welcome back to the cookout. If you're familiar with our channel, you know we did a wall build. We did some extensive work on our Yardistry gazebo, and one of the things that we wanted was lighting. We wanted this thing lit up at night. We're by the pool, have a bar. We wanted people to come out here and be just wild. So we did put some lights over our bar, and you know, I like the feel of it, the style of it, but I must admit it left a lot to be desired when it came to actually giving us the lighting that we wanted. So thanks to today's sponsor, Lumary. They sent us the Smart Outdoor Ceiling Fan Pro, and we're gonna get it installed because we wanna see if this thing will give us the light show that we're lacking right now. Now, if you take a look, you'll see our current lighting situation. What I'm going to do is I'll show you our insert where we had this thing lit up at night with the current lights. And then what we'll do, we'll get this installed and we'll show you the finished product and let you decide if Lumary showed up and showed out to give us the lighting that we want by our bar. Well, family, just like that, we have this Lumary Smart Outdoor Ceiling Fan Light Pro installed. Tim got it done in a little no time. Was it easy to install, Tim?
It was.
Okay, it seemed like it was. Now, you know, I'm not gonna put it together, but it does. Now, I'm gonna tell you, the fan is on right now and you can't even hear it. I feel it. Y'all see a little fan action going, but I already love it. Like, we're gonna get a night shot, but this fan is phenomenal. It put a whole different vibe under here. But it has an app. You can dim it by the app. It has 6 fan speeds. It has a timer on it. It has cool and warm lighting, music sync. I mean, 16 million colors, forward and reverse. Y'all, don't tell me my light game is weak, because it's daylight and this thing, I cannot wait. I really do believe this has really improved this whole bar situation. The lighting we had before, like I said, it served its purpose, but it did give a less desired look. This is going to actually put some light down on the bar with the lights going around it underneath it. Lumary, I see you. Also, if you like this lamp, or fan, I should say, please click the link in the description where you can get a discount. They have a lot of other choices. This is a 20-inch. It's the mesh. You can also get the band where it's a solid, but that mesh is sweet, y'all. So we're gonna be sure to insert this night footage so that you can see how this Lumary light is going to illuminate my bar and make this an awesome addition to our bar. All right, y'all, it is nighttime. We have the Lumary Smart Outdoor Ceiling Fan Light Pro turned on, and I don't know what you think, but I know what I think. I think this has truly transformed our gazebo. The lighting is superb. The fan is super quiet. It gave us lighting over our bar that we've never had before. The previous lights that we had, it served its purpose, but Lumary, you showed up and showed out. So I ask you all to tell me what you think, because I told you we're going to insert the video of the previous lights that we had, but I want you to see it with the Lumary and how excellent, I just can't, I'm excited, y'all. Excellent this light looks, how silent and whisper the sound of that fan. I mean, we lit, y'all. The Lumary fan, you like it? Click the link down in the description to be sure to order you one. They have so many other magnificent products. What I'm noticing now, I'm looking at this, it's lit. I think I need some uplighting in the trees that's on the back side of this gazebo so that you can get a full pulley into the bar. Now family, this light, I told you, is exceptional. Not only do you have the colors for the different color settings you can set this to some soft white lights, but look how bright this thing is. Like, if we were out here and we needed bright light, Lumary made sure we had it. It lit up the entire area. I am really, when I tell you I'm loving this, I'm loving it, because we did not have this type of lighting before, but now thanks to Lumary we do. So the soft light setting, you can make it bright, you can lower the setting. The remote is phenomenal. There is an app also that controls the setting as well. Y'all, light game, hype. Light game, hype. So hey y'all, lights, nights, everything is fine here at the mountain. If you like it, again, click the link below. I hope for this channel that it inspires, empowers, entertains, and keeps you informed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be notified. We will see you at a camping site sometime in the near future, and we'll also see you in the next review. Be blessed, family.